Welcome back to part 2 of the playlist, where we explore the macho ways to remove the body hair for the road cyclist. Being macho, I guess, it's like you detect a problem, you make a quick analysis, and shortly after, you deal with it in a way that solves the problem. And then you return to home base, enjoying a can of beer. But well, we aren't there yet. We need to solve this problem first. The macho man's biggest fear might be to be called girlish. Imagine being caught red-handed using your girlfriend's waxing strips, or even worse, having to go to the beauty shop to buy those pink boxes. And what if you accidentally meet someone you know? Will you ask the staff for an express gift wrapping, or simply run out of the store? No, it ain't worth it, risking all your macho status being seen in a lady's shop. So imagine that you are this kind of macho man. What would you do? Of course, you could buy the remedies online and wait for the products to be delivered while your hair grows longer and longer. Or even better, go out and empty the garage in search of any remedy that resembles the qualities of a wax strip. And what have we here? The man's best friend, the universal fix to any technical problem, the GAFFA tape. I'm sure you got the original GAFFA, the fake GAFFA, Gorilla tape, the Scotch tape, just like me. And who knows, maybe one of those tapes will have some sort of a similar quality to the wax strip. And you could buy it in a regular hardware store. It sounds almost too good to be true. So let's try it out. I've never done this before. How about doing the arm first? I guess it's important to have fully grown hair for the tape to cling onto. Let's fasten it firmly, count to 3 and have a first rip. Let's try the cheap Charlie one first. 1, 2. It doesn't work at all. Maybe this is just going down the drain. The silver one. 3. Some hairs disappeared. Oh, have a look. Actually, this one works quite well. And then the last one. The most expensive one. So does this method work? I would say yes. You just have to keep on ripping and ripping and it will all come off. Let's see how it goes. After 10 minutes of struggling, I'm halfway through my first leg. And I start to wonder, how much money am I going to spend on expensive GAFFA tape to get my legs made? It works, but it doesn't work that well. So in a way, I've solved the problem and I can enjoy a can of beer or whatever. And hey, I've got one more advice for you. You could easily cover up the waxing strip box with GAFFA tape and making it look more macho instead. Good luck!